Good day guys, I'm Hassan Chakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, first we make the lines. And change the layer. Like this, and we draw a circle with a diameter of 76 units. And with the match properties command, we change the properties of this circle. Now we draw a circle with a diameter of 10 units and array it with the polar array. Select the base point and change the item. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 circle we have, and change the item 8 and click on close array. So in this way we draw our circles. Now we give the offset 55 units like this, and give the offset 32 units. Now we draw a circle here with the radius of 7 units, and we draw another circle with the radius of 14 units. And guys, now we draw these circles, the inner circle and the outer circle. The 30 units, and we draw a line here, and with the fillet tool we fillet it. Now we draw a circle like this, and now we make this circle with the radius of 7 units, and with the 10 radius we draw this circle, and with the trim tool we trim it like this. And now we make the offset 55 units and 32 units. Now we draw a circle with the 7 units and with the 14 units. And we draw a line like this. And draw a circle with a 10 radius of 7 units. And with the trim tool we trim this circle like this. So guys, in this way we make our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.